walk through silent halls of time. Pages whisper, faith still shines. Voices echo, hearts believed. When truth was chained, they still conceive. Through the darkness they held on. Their hope became the rising dawn. Let there be light, let it shine again. Through every storm, through loss and pain, the word survives through night and flame. Let there be light, forever the same. Hands that tremble the road with grace. Dreams of heaven on each page. Every tear became a prayer. Every word still lingers there. In every soul the spark remains. The light still breaks the iron chains. Let there be light, let it shine again. Through every storm, through loss and pain, the word survives through night and flame. Let there be light, forever the same. Yeah. And when the world forgets the cause, when faith seems silent, nearly lost, a gentle voice still calls my name, reminding me why light remains. Let there be light inside my heart, where truth and love will never part. Let there be light, I'll carry the flame till heaven whispers my name again. Let there be light, let there be light, let there be light, let there be light, forever the same.